しようかな天の島線に乗って湘南海岸へかき氷を食べて
my channel, and for today's video, what we're doing is a fridge tour. So guys, this video it's not my intention to brag, but only for fun and entertainment purposes lang. So if you're new to my channel, please click like and subscribe. If you already subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng video. So without any further ado, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, intro. This is the freezer. Guys, for today's vlog, medyo puno pa po siya kasi kaka-grocery pa lang namin. But I will walk through one by one and see how I manage to arrange my groceries. Okay, so let's start here. Here we have the beef burger. This is the biggest one, guys. The jumbo size. It's really nice and amazing. Mabibili mo siya sa Carrefour. So, pag ikaw, busy ka sa trabaho at nagmamadali ka na lang magluto, no time to cook for like a heavy meal, mas gusto mo na lang yung mas faster food, then you can buy this and you can fry anytime. Just throw it in the pan in 5 to 10 minutes, voila, you have your dinner or snacks. Then what we have here is another pack of chicken burger. Pang emergency meal lang to, guys, no? Hindi talaga kami masyadong mahilig sa burger, but as of now, nag-stocks kami ng marami kasi, guys, dito sa place namin, medyo mahal ang mga paninda at much better kung magbibili kami ng maramihan na stocks, good like for 2 to 3 weeks stocks, then hindi kami bili ng bili. So I have a lot of burgers over here. Let me put that. And this one is chicken nuggets. And this one, these are all fish, guys. Mahilig kami sa isda talaga. We have shrimp. I have fish. What's this? This is shrimp, second one. And I have squid over here. On the bottom part, I have this is beef giniling. I have galunggong, my favorite, sardines. And they do have, this is Emirati brand fish. I have this squid over here. Majority ng stocks namin, guys, are fish. This is fresh from the market. And mostly seafoods, but I have squid and shrimp only. Siguro mga 2 containers each. And then we have here some snacks. This is what you call parata. If you are working in Middle East, then you know what this food all about. It's made of dough. It was, I think it's originally from India, and then Emirati people adopt this one. We have here the Arabic bread, which is kubus. If you want to eat some kubus, we keep it here. We have vegetables. We have steak. I have 2 packs of steak, which is really amazing. And I have another pack of beef cubes. Okay, move forward to the second layer. Guys, on the second layer, dito naman yung chiller. Meron kaming mga leftover. Tray of egg. Yung niluto kong adobo na atayan balon-balunan. I have the cake for Carrefour. This is the remaining fish fillet. We have here the juices. I love to rearrange my fridge. I don't want it to be messy. These are my sweets treat. I have here also itlog maalat and more eggs. And for my snacks, I used to have cereals and fruits over here. And mga leftover na tayo, guys. Mga leftover na yan na natitira. It's not, this for me, this works for me as an organizer, so I love it. And down here we have fruits. This is white sweet melon and watermelon over there. I have sweet melon over here and more veg. And over here, this we have sweets treat juice. Snacks. This is my beauty secrets. I have some cheese over here. And that's it all, guys, for today's vlog. Thank you for watching, and please click like and subscribe. See you soon.